Today we are looking at the Samsung Galaxy S21. This is the smallest and the most affordable phone in the S21 lineup, but don't let that fool you. It is still a very powerful and capable device. Hi, I am Deepak. Welcome to our channel where we share the latest reviews and tricks in the world of smartphones. Subscribe to our channel for exciting and informative content. Let's talk about the design. The Samsung Galaxy S21 has a new and bold design. It features a metal camera bump that runs seamlessly into the aluminum frame. The camera bump is a bit large, but it's not too intrusive. The back of the phone is made of plastic, but it has a matte finish that makes it look and feel like glass. The phone is available in a variety of colors including black, white, purple and pink. The S21 is a relatively small phone with a 6.2-inch display. It is also very thin and light, making it easier to hold and use with one hand. About the display is still a really great Samsung display. It is bright and readable outdoors. It has great colors and HDR SIR. It is flat. The fingerprint reader is the same great larger ultrasonic one as the Ultra, and the selfie camera cutout is the same size. The resolution has dropped from 1440 pixel to 1080 pixel, but most people won't notice it because it's still pretty sharp display, and because in order to switch to 120 Hz you had to use the screen at 1080 pixels. Let's talk about the performance. The performance is excellent. The S21 has the same Snapdragon 888 chip as Ultra, and it's every bit as much of a performer. It does have a 8 GB of RAM instead of 12 GB or 16 GB, but I never noticed any hesitation or performance issues. Let's look into the camera. The camera on the back is another area where of course you see difference between this and the Ultra. The Ultra has bigger numbers, but the S21 still has a capable camera system. The main camera is the same as the S20, and there is an ultra-wide and 3x telephoto lens. There is no crazy 100x space zoom, but the zoom lock feature is still here. One thing the S21 does better than the Ultra is the ultra-wide camera. It's actually a little bit wider than the ultra-wide on the Ultra. Samsung's portrait mode is also getting consistently better and better over time. I think Samsung's portrait mode is the best portrait mode in any smartphones. Let's talk about the battery life. The S21 has a 4000 mAh of battery, which is a bit smaller than the 5000 mAh battery of the Ultra. But it's still a bigger battery that lasts all day, getting 5+ hours of on-screen time. There is no expandable storage or MST, but those are the two most sorely missed features for me and for a lot of enthusiasts. Now we see some of the hidden features of the Samsung Galaxy S21. At number 1, Camera Labs. This feature gives you access to experimental camera features. Some of the features in Camera Labs include Director's View, Single Take and 8K video recording. At number 2, Bixby Routines. This feature allows you to create automated tasks that can be triggered by certain events such as time of the day, location or app usage. Number 3, Game Launcher. This feature gathers all your game into one place and optimizes them for better performance. Number 4, Secure Folder. This feature allows you to create a secure folder where you can store sensitive files and apps. That concludes our today's review on the Samsung Galaxy S21. Subscribe to our channel and save money on your dream phones. Please do check out our website for the best renewed smartphone deals.